I'm Tom Bowling here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale, and I wanted to share with you a little tip today. One of my favorite tools to use when I'm doing permanent botanical flowers is my heat gun. Now you say, Tom, why a heat gun? I don't understand. When we see permanents being brought to us, they're shipped to us and they're very tight in the box. And so what we need to do is to be able to relax them. And heat is one of those special ways to do so. I've tried using a hairdryer and it doesn't produce enough heat. So the next step was to go to a heat gun. And as you can see, when you do that, it's important to make sure that you don't put it too close that you're going to singe that flower. But you want to get it close enough, and you'll be able to tell probably after about the first one or two that it allows that flower to warm, and the calyx, which again is a plastic material that may be binding it tight, it's going to soften, and you're going to be able to just massage that and manipulate that to get that open, to get the shape that the way that you want it to be. And so you can attack it from the back, as well as the front. And again, like I said, you want to make sure that you get that nice and open shape to the way that it's supposed to look, and it doesn't have that constricted feel any longer. Same with your foliage. If the foliage is too confined, too tight, give it a little bit of heat, open it up, and that way then it's going to have that very natural look, which is important when we're working with botanical, permanent botanical flowers, as you see here. So get that heat gun handy, keep it for your permanent materials, and you'll have a great combination.